All right, now we're doing 7Q changing letters. This is by Marcus Lands, and 91% of the people like it. When provided with a string, we're going to capitalize all vowels. So if we get hello world, we're going to get hello world looking like this, looking super crazy. All right, so we could do this with a for loop, and it'll be pretty, I'll just show you. So let's let result equal an empty string, all right? And then we're going to say for let I equal 0 while I is less than string dot length I plus plus, all right? We're going to iterate through that old string right there. Now we're going to say something like if string at the index I equals, and let's just start with an A. What we're going to do is we're going to say result dot push, and then we're going to say capital, not push, result plus equals capital A, all right? And then let's just do a little copy paste when we do these if, else for this one. All right, let's take from this bracket up to this parenthesis, and do that, and then let's change this to E and capital E, and then let's take this bracket to the beginning of the if, not to the bracket, but not with the bracket, whatever, you know what's up, and A-E-I-O-U, and then let's turn these into I-O-U. I owe you a great video. All right, and here we go. And then we're just going to say else. Right here, let's say, oops, not that, else. What should we do? Result plus equals string at I, all right? And then let's return result. Test it out. No, if else. What's wrong? Else if, what am I doing? Give me a second. I don't think I gotta fast forward through this one. If else, what a guy. All right, test it out. Looks great. All right, attempt it. Let's just make sure there's no tricks. Looks great, but look at that. That's the clunkiest clunk we've done in days, isn't it? We can do something better, can't we? Isn't that why I opened up all these? Let's get this stuff and turn it into concise syntax. Const swap equals string. Take all this, turn it into an arrow like this. Come down here. We don't need to do the console.log because we're only using one method, so we can just test with the regular test. So with this, we're going to use this replace method right here. And the replace method returns a new string with one sum or all matches of a pattern replaced by a replacement. The pattern can be a string or regex, and it's going to be regex. And the replacement can be a string or a function called for each match. We're going to do a function for this one. If the pattern is a string, only the first occurrence will be replaced, and the original string is left unchanged. All right, let's go down to the syntax. It's just going to be replace, pattern, replacement. The pattern is going to be the regex. Replacement is going to be a function. So let's do it. Let's say string dot replace. All right, let's get some regex in there. If you're unfamiliar with regex or you need a refresher, we're going to be using one of these character classes which matches any one of the enclosed characters. We're going to put the characters inside brackets basically. So let's throw these brackets in there. A-E-I-O-U. All right. But we're going to need to do something else. Okay, let me show you why. All right, let's do the function first. All right, so the function we're going to use on this is element. And then we're going to say element, and let's come over here and do Was that? To uppercase JavaScript. Whoops. Yeah, cool. We're going to use the to uppercase method, which returns the calling string value converted to uppercase. So basically, that's it. You just put to uppercase with a blah blah blah. So to uppercase, like thus. Now let's see what happens if we do this. Something's wrong. Why? It only did one. Why is that? Because we didn't do this over here. We didn't put this flag. Let's go all the way down. We didn't put this global search flag, which basically makes it search more than one time. So let's do that right after this little slash a G. Test it out. Oh, would you look at that? All right, attempt it. There we go. Submit it. All right, and you see right here, just like this one, except for we did it in regular syntax. Here's something we could have done, but I wanted to do something without any methods. Anyway, let's go over to mine. Just me and Al Ekirl, and best practice in my opinion, very much like it, and we'll see you next time.